Today we're making this high profit wood art so you can sell it too. If you're a woodworker looking to earn some extra money on the nights and weekends or around your job or to boost your retirement, this video is for you. On our channel, we show different woodworking projects with high profit margins, most made with scrap wood, that have sold well for us so you can make and sell them too. Today we're making another wood art project. This one is a bear, and so let's get into it. So to start, I print out my pattern twice, and the patterns are available on our Etsy store if you're interested in that. And I print them twice. I glue one onto my wood, and then I start cutting, and I'll cut out all the pieces, and then I will sand them all. I see so many large YouTubers talking about profitable wood projects, and wood art is always at the top of the list. And I couldn't agree more. They're really inexpensive to make, and you can sell them for a really high profit margin. I'm using scrap wood, but I think even if you had to buy all the wood for this project, it would be just a few dollars. And these sell very well. We always frame them using Chris's 2x4 frame method, where you can basically make a frame for roughly around $1. We have a separate video showing that technique if you're interested. I'll leave a link in the description. And if you like this sort of thing, check out our website, ideas2ididit.com. There's lots more information about woodworking and wood projects. And if you sign up for a newsletter, you'll get an instant download that'll be emailed to you of a free wood art project. So definitely go check that out. It's ideas2ididit.com. And hopefully you'll find lots of great information over there. So I always write the pattern number on the back of the piece after I cut it out and before I sand it, just so I can keep track of all the pieces so I'll be able to put it back together. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. We'd love to hear from you. And if this is your sort of thing, please consider hitting that like button. It helps us so much. It helps YouTube know that people are enjoying these videos, and it really does help support the channel. So when I start gluing these together, I like to glue in sections, in chunks. And this is just to make it easier when I'm putting the final piece onto my backing to make sure everything lines up. So you'll see I'll just grab a couple of the pieces that are close together and I'll glue those. So I'll have this in 4 or 5 chunks by the end of it, and then that's what I'll end up gluing on my back piece. And you can see all my pieces are numbered to make it nice and easy. I found a couple times when I tried to just piece it all together on my backing, it was really hard to get it all straight and square and centered on the piece. So I find this just helps me. And if you have any requests of other animals or other subjects that you'd like done in wood art, let us know. I'd love to hear from you. We've got some great recommendations from people and suggestions that I've worked on already, and we're always open to hearing what you guys want to see. So you can see here the chunks that I've got done. So there's 6, 7 of them. And then I'll be able to put those on the backing, and it'll make it much easier for me to get everything square. Okay, so now I've got it glued down onto my backing, and you can see with this backing, I did a light paint wash on it. I just used some brown and black paint just to give it a stained effect. And now I'm going to go in and really try to increase some of the dimension and add depth to the piece. I always do this. I'm sure you've seen me do this many times. I'm taking just a little bit of watered down paint and really trying to create some shadows and create some dimension in the piece. I do have a video where I go through this in real time, step by step, showing you how to do each step. I'll link it in the description below if you're interested in learning the technique. But I will say with this one, you'll see I'm using a brown paint instead of the black that I normally use. That's because the wood is so much lighter. If I used the black paint, it would really end up almost making it look dirty as opposed to creating some natural looking shadows. So that's why. So basically watered down paint, following some of the cut lines, and then really working on some shadow work around like the ears, the muzzle, the back legs to create that dimension to really add some interest to the piece. Now, of course, you don't have to do this. The piece is perfectly fine on its own. I just really like to take the extra step. I've been painting most of my life and I really enjoy it. And I find this just kind of takes your piece to the next level and makes it your own. Well, listen, Chris and I can't thank you enough for watching our videos. We appreciate you spending your time with us so much, and we hope you really enjoy it. And again, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We'd love to hear from you. Check out our website, ideastoididit.com, and get your free download of the Wood Art project and give it a try. So thanks again so much, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys again. So here's the finished piece. I think it turned out really great. It's got lots of dimension and character. Thanks again for watching. We hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.